Hey everybody, this is Igor Lumertz from PCH Dent Repair, and in this video I want to show you the process to remove this dent on the roof rail. We have to use a glue pull technique. There is no access to this panel, and I'm gonna show you here not the whole process but a little bit of it and how we fix it.
This is before. You can see a couple dents there. Here I'm showing the outside area where the dent is sticking out. It's called a crown. Here's the first glue tab that I used, and here I'm showing how I pour the glue on the glue tab and place it right on the center of the dent. This is how we pull the dent out, cleaning up with alcohol. And this is my first pull. You can see the center of the dent still low, so we have to tap everything down again and pull again many times until we get back to its original shape, reshaping the metal back to its original form again. Here's before. You can see another angle, and this is the finished product right here. All paintless dent removal. This is before again, you can see with the light. And this is after. All done on the same day. Paintless dent removal. For a free estimate, please text us a picture of the damaged area to 760-522-3101.